This owner tried to trick her cat by hiding his favorite snack, but she was shocked by what happened next. First, she hid a small snack under one of the lids and carefully shuffled them around, but the clever cat immediately knew where it was and picked the right one. Seeing this, the owner decided to make it harder. She placed a large hat over the cat's head so he couldn't peek. Then she shuffled the lids again, but as soon as the hat was removed, the cat confidently tapped the exact right lid. Finally, the owner tried her ultimate trick. She gently placed a small blindfold over his eyes and shuffled the lids faster than ever. But when the blindfold came off, the brilliant cat didn't hesitate and chose the correct one again.